Today, we're going to break down what to consider when picking your next pair of sunglasses for getting out on the trail.
The number one consideration I look for in my mountain bike glasses is a secure fit. This one is paramount. All their performance features are rendered useless if your shades don't stay perched on your face.
Not to mention, it's a distraction and a potential safety hazard to have your glasses slipping down your nose as you tackle challenging terrain. When it comes to locking glasses in place, the first thing I look for is rubberized nose pads or temples. These help your glasses comfortably grip your face and stay in place when things get rocky.
Once you're sure the frames you buy can stay in place, it's time to make sure that you want to keep them there. Fogging is a major issue for mountain bikers and can render a pair of shades useless on a tough climb or cold morning. I look for lenses that feature ventilation in key areas around the top of the frame. If you live in a cool, moist climate, you may consider lenses treated with an anti-fog coating for extra protection.
Speaking of protection, you're going to need it while you're out on the trail. Rocks, branches, and dust are guaranteed to come at you from all angles, and it's important to look for a frame that will protect your eyes. We recommend a high wrap design that contours closely with your cheeks and brow, but still allows airflow. In general, these larger lens shapes will provide you with a greater field of view, which can enhance your riding experience and help you tackle obstacles in the trail.
Mountain biking is a precise sport that requires agile movements to navigate tough sections. Cheap glasses will have distortion that can alter appearances, such as the size of a rock, the distance of a drop, or the lip of a jump. We recommend looking for a pair of lenses specifically designed for optical performance and clarity. Some key words you can look for are optically decentered and taper corrected. Lenses with these features have better optical alignment, meaning that rock you see is actually where you think it is.
Ultimately, our favorite shades allow you to change lenses quickly and easily. Revant carries a full line of elite performance lenses to optimize your glasses for any condition.
We have low light options for riding through loamy forests, dark lenses for riding desert slick rock, and even photochromic lenses for rides where you see a diverse range of terrain.
We even have over 24 tints and coatings, so you can match your kit to your bike for that sweet custom look.
These lenses are also a great insurance plan for the inevitable event that you scratch your favorite pair of shades. Instead of shelling out for a whole new set, just pop in your Revant lenses and get back to your ride.
Thanks for watching, and see you out there.